Today we're going to continue talking about appendages of the skin. The goal of this video is to discuss the structure and function of the hair and nails. Before listing some of the functions of the hair, I'll briefly mention what hair and nails are made of. Hair and nails are made of hard keratin. Recall that keratin is a tough, waterproof material. We have millions of hairs on most parts of our body. Here are 4 functions of the hair. Head hair keeps in heat and protects us from the sun. Body hair alerts us to things crawling on our skin, like insects. Eyelashes protect our eyes from debris in the air. And nose hair prevents the entry of small foreign objects. What is the structure of hair? Well, the part of the hair that sticks out of the skin is called the shaft. It's protected by the outermost layer called a cuticle, and you can see in the microscopic image at the bottom of the slide the overlapping layers of the cuticle. Hair conditioners smooth down the rough surface of the cuticle, and split ends are caused by the wearing down of the cuticle over time, revealing the underlying cortex and medulla. The hair follicle, commonly called the root, is located in the dermis. Hair cells divide within the follicle in a region called the hair bulb. The cells are filled with keratin and pigments that give the hair its color. Dead cells are continually pushed out as new cells are formed, and tiny erector pili muscles attach to the hair shaft to make hair stand on end. Here are a couple of other fun hair facts. The texture of the hair, whether it's curly, straight, or wavy, is based on the shape of the hair follicle. In the image on the bottom left of your screen, you see a brown circle, a brown oval, and a brown ellipse. These are cross sections of the hair follicle. So if the hair follicle is round, then the hair will be straight. But if the hair follicle is an ellipse, like what you see on the right, then the hair will be curly. If the hair follicle is an oval, like you see in the middle, then the hair will be wavy. A second fact is that hair color is determined by the amount of melanin present at the base of the hair follicle. Now let's finish up by talking about nails. What is the structure of a nail? Nails are protective and useful as tools. For example, you can use them to pick things up and scratch. Nails have 4 basic parts. There's the free edge, the body, the root, and the nail bed. The free edge and the body are visible, but the root and the nail bed are not. You can see the free edge at the top, the nail body there in the middle, and like I mentioned a moment ago, the root and the nail bed are not visible, so I can't point to them in this picture. So how are nails formed? I'm going to go ahead and fill out the entire slide so I can identify some things as we go. So the nail matrix is the area where the fingernails and toenails start to grow. The arrow in the top right corner of your screen points to this area. It produces heavily keratinized cells, which become the nail body. And the nail is protected on 3 sides by nail folds. You have 2 lateral folds on the sides and 1 proximal fold at the base of the nail. The lunula looks like a little white moon at the base of your nail, and it's wider due to the thickness of the nail there. The nail matrix is the proximal portion of the nail bed, and most of the nail body is pink due to the presence of capillaries underneath. But the lunula, the little moon, is wider because the nail, again, is thicker at that point. So one last structure that I want you to be aware of is the epnicium. The epnicium provides a protective seal for the nail matrix, so foreign objects and bacteria can't enter the nail bed. So there I've pointed to the structures that we've mentioned so far about the nail. To sum up, hair and nails provide protection due to their high keratin content, and hair grows from the hair bulb while nails grow from the nail matrix.